Okay, this video is entitled Vindale Research: How to Make Money with Surveys in 2020. This is a free site that you join, and typically two ways you can make money with this. One, you can grind it out, doing surveys. This is studies, panels, just things that you can get stuff mailed to you and try out the products, and then you give your quote and your feedback. That's the panels. They got jobs like Ubers and so forth that you can work if you want to. The main two ways that I do is these guys right here. See all these don't. I hate that. We got cookies. Right here. You want to do the studies. Now all these right here. Of course you can get cents, and if you qualify. You might not qualify. The quality, don't say you don't have a lot. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you know, if typically if they medical, talking about illness, they want people opinions on illnesses and so forth, it would, you know, it would help if you have a couple of them. Like, I have diabetes type 2. So, you know, I have to get a lot of surveys come up. And my emails require, you know, diabetes and, you know, then they have diabetes and asthma and so forth, so forth. A lot of medical issues, different kind of medical issues you got. Now, this one is Peanut Daily Studies. I did that one for $1. Then you got, Nova's Daily Studies. I didn't do that one. So you can go right down the line. What you call them things is done. I can't see it. My scroll thing. Can't see it. But scroll thing. See these guys right here. Airbnb. That's actually the panel that you actually these things, physical things. Some surveys, a couple of them surveys, but then yeah, they did. Okay, the panel, different kind of surveys that companies you joining. Some of them I joined before. You get points, and you know you got to do a lot of surveys and get that point factor. I mean, you can like Survey Junkie. You just got. I mean, you got to do a whole lot of them. You know, because the point convert over to money, but then they like. It's not a lot, and they don't, you know, it takes a whole lot of time to accumulate money through the other surveys. Vindale's number one, because I dealt with Vindale for about 4 or 5 years. About 4 years, and dealt with Vindale, grinding it out with the studies and referrals. I came after a guy back in 2015. I signed up with him, his name is Wale, and I couldn't figure out how this guy got $1,500. I mean, Vindale pays you twice a month. I believe it's either top and to the middle or the middle to the bottom. Typically, the best way to get paid out with Vindale is set up a PayPal account, and they pay you in $50 increments. In other words, you have, let's say you have $50, you have $52. You can cash out the $50 and you keep the two. Let's say you got $100, $112. You can cash out the $100. You got to keep that 12 in there, and so forth. And straight to your PayPal, from your PayPal to your bank account, pretty much. The way you can get up there is through the referrals, because you get $5 referral. People sign up. They got to do one survey for you to get credit with them with your referral. Now, which is no problem. They can do a 50-cent survey, or, you know, anyone this right here. Which are not the panel studies. There you go. My scroll bar. Yep, my scroll bar. Yep. See these? All these. Each one of these down this list right here, you can do 10 times. And they can come right through, and then they're gonna come right in your email. Otherwise, or you can just simply click on them, the same one, Same type like peanut daily studies, and you would do these 10 times. Each one of you get 10 shots at this, 10 shots of these, and everything. Now, when they ask you the questionnaire to qualify you, and you don't get qualified, it's like, oops. If they don't say, oops, you don't get qualified, they still might turn around and still give you about, maybe 10 cents, something like that, or 15 cents off the dollar. Now, it's a good little side hustle. It can be substantial if you put it out there, and you connect with people. Like I said, it's free to join. It's a legitimate company. I can go back with about 4 years with it. It seems not going nowhere because it's free, and they just they pay you for your opinion. And 2 ways I think. Well, I say stick with it. Works for me since when I first joined. I mean, this is a free new account. I'm just getting back with it, and it's the studies that we ain't gotta come out your pocket, and the referrals. And you do them. You consistent with both them. You can do a little something. You can earn extra anywhere. I would say a month. I would say anywhere from 300 to about 1,500 or more. It depends. It really depends. You get 100 referrals, 5 times 100, 500, of course. You get 200 referrals, 200 times 5. What's that? 1,000. You're looking at 1,000. You get 300 referrals, $1,500. That's how Wiley got it. I believe he got exactly 300 referrals, not including he had, he was doing the case study, doing surveys and everything. I think, so I seen him. He was consistent too. I was like, how the heck is this guy making all his money from this site? From his referrals, YouTube videos, refer people to it because it's free to join. And they do one survey. It could be a 50-cent survey, 75-cent survey, or whatever. They just do one, click one, and they join for free, sign up for free, fill out their profile, and that's it. He was getting $5. And then every time you get $50, and by the time you gotta cash out, let me see. Let me see if I go to profile. I'll tell you the next time they pay out. I believe. Yep, see. Wait a minute, see. The next one, January 3rd. Next one, January 3rd, 2020. So I'm going to do another video, January 3rd, 2020. And show you my results. We'll follow a video for that, you guys. And just to see. So I'm going to try to, put it out there, do YouTube videos, connect with people, and inform them about this site, because it's legit. No money out your pocket. They pay you to do it. They pay you for your opinion. And it's just extra money. It works. What can I say? I know about this company. It works. So it's a great little company. There's a lot of surveys out there, but I think this is the best. It's not on. You get paid according to the points, anything. I mean, it's straight cash. Right to your PayPal to your bank account. Check bank and saving a check account. So you refer people to it. They do one survey. You get the $5 referral, and you get the money from doing the studies. And look for your email. So I suggest you sign up with a Gmail account, and Gmail account that is not your main one, because they're gonna flood you with surveys, guys. If you got the time, you could knock them back. If you're a good reader and retain information, you could probably get, like, I would say, this surveys. You got the time, how much time you got. You can bang them for about 10. Anywhere from 10 to 50, I would say $10 to $50 a day. If you gotta do a lot of surveys, but it's possible. When I was on it, when I first did it the first time, I was getting, I was banging them about maybe anywhere from 20. I ain't gonna say 50. It was. I think the max I was hitting, because I was doing a lot of surveys. When I started referring, I would say the max I was hitting about 20, 25 a day. But I was doing a lot of surveys. And not all of you gonna get qualified for it too. You gotta get qualified to get your money. Good point. So don't get discouraged if you don't get qualified. Just keep pumping them out. And when you get $50 and it pop up and ask you how you want to pay, I suggest you say PayPal. Put your PayPal email in there. They pay you through PayPal, and then from PayPal, go right to your checking account. This is my review. The title of this video is Vindale Research, How to Make Money by Doing Surveys in 2020 with Thomas Flowers. And just join up, click the link below, sign up, fill out your profile, start doing surveys. And that's it. I will do a follow-up videos and tell you right there, June the 3rd. I'll show you my referrals, how many referrals I get of people I sign up. I'm going to show you how to, get referrals. You people that you sign up, just refer them back to this video. Say, well, I signed up with this guy right here. And his name's Thomas Flowers. And I signed up on this link because you'll get a referral link. And then this screen sharing software I'm using is called Screencast-O-Matic. Sign up with them. It's $15 one time a year. You will need it. If you're going to follow me, and this is just one of the programs I do online, by the way. But it's free. Like people be saying, you got anything free? I don't got no money to sign up with. No, just don't take no money to sign up with. You can sign up for free, make money with this. I just highly recommend. There's a bunch of surveys out there, but I just highly recommend Vindale. Vindale seems to be the best one I ran across. Without trying to make money by points and then convert it over to money. Try to convert it by points, you could be doing things forever. This one too, but you get your referrals and you ain't gotta go by point. You straight do you straight do the survey, you get paid. Boom. Whether it's 50 cent, dollar, and everything so forth. You get paid, boom. And then it pays you 2 times out of the month. Like I tell you right here, when your profile, click on that, like next month is January 3rd, 2020. You're going into the New Year's. So I will do an update video on this because I'm going to connect with a couple people, put it out there and refer them to it. Make a couple extra dollars. Like I said, you do it on your spare time and come home from work or whatever. In the middle of the night, you can't sleep. Pump out a couple and do a YouTube video. You will definitely do a YouTube. Get the Screencast-O-Matic software. Record your video and sit back there and boom, put your link in the description of your video and start doing videos, screencast them in YouTube videos. That's the sure way to get traffic, sure way to refer people to it. And if you ain't got your videos up, you ain't got your Screencast-O-Matic up and everything, or once you get your Screencast-O-Matic up, or you start referring people, because you're going to have to get your screen shared anyway. Screencast-O-Matic screen shares. That's probably the only thing you're going to invest because you want to do your own videos. And when you put your link inside the descriptions. But anyway, I'll do a video on that too. But that's it. Pretty much just refer them to your video, or refer them back to this video. You get your Screencast-O-Matic, you can record this video that I'm doing right here. I'm your sponsor. And put your link in the description. They can join them under you. I don't want them joining with me, join them under you. And you get $5. I guess you get $5 per referral. That's about it. I'm not going random. It's legitimate, free site, no money out your pocket. And then money out your pocket, get your screen sharing software, Screencast, SCREENCAST. Screencast-O-Matic, MATIC.com. Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-O-Matic. That's the screen share. That's the name of the software. You know what I mean? So, Screencast-O-Matic. That's the name of the software, screen sharing software that I'm using right now. It's $15. One time it's $15 a year. So, I've been using it since I can't think. I want to say it was 2015 or 2016. I've definitely been using it for about 3 or 4 years. And promoting screens, doing my YouTube videos and promoting my programs. But Vindale, like I said, I choose to go back with this. It's free. No money out your pocket, and you can make money with it.